central San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Harding County in northeastern New Mexico, east central Mora County in northeastern New Mexico, until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Roy, or 22 miles northwest of Mosquero, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: Harding, Mora, and San Miguel.